Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Talia's Reality. And if you have not already read the title, this vlog is going to be a prepare / pack with me for my upcoming vacation that I do have this weekend. So y'all, first on my list, I really have a lot to do, y'all. Like, today is Monday, we leave on Thursday. I have not packed anything, I have not done anything, like nothing at all. So today is Monday, I'm gonna start my stuff today. So yeah, this is what I have planned so far. I do need to do an unboxing real quick because I have a couple of packages with some things that I am taking with me on my trip. And I do need to place some Amazon orders. Definitely have to do that. And make sure y'all go check out my storefront. I will be linking it below, so go check that out right now. Most definitely, y'all, I have this long 30-inch wig. Y'all finna see it in a minute. I gotta go drop my hair off so it can get prepped. So most definitely have to do that today for sure. I got a whole bunch of clothes from Shein, y'all. I'm gonna open that one first. Ooh, y'all see it? Okay. Ooh, I don't even know where to start. Ooh. All right, I'm not gonna show y'all everything, but I am gonna show y'all like some stuff, like some. Okay. Tell me that this is not like the cutest bag I have ever seen. Like, y'all probably like, girl, this thing ugly. No, baby, it's so cute. So I do have that. What else do I have? Oh, I have like this really cute, I don't know what I would call it, a crop top, I guess you can call it. It's like more like a halter. I don't know, I'm gonna just say a crop top. It's really cute, y'all. Definitely taking this on my vacation. It is so cute. And y'all, these are so cute. Like, I don't know what it is, but I've been seeing these shoes a lot lately, so I was like, I gotta get these, and I got them. What else can I show y'all? Oh, I did get this cute little phone case to go with one of my outfits. And hold on, I actually have another package over here. I wasn't sure which green my outfit was, so I got both colors, but I think I'm gonna end up doing this green because I didn't realize how dark this green was, but it's still cute though, so I'm gonna keep it. And then I got this cute dress. I got this. Ow, I hit my finger. Yeah, I got a couple nice things. I did go to like Rainbow and I found some real cute stuff a while ago, and I'm gonna take some of that stuff with me, but not all of it. I do have another package, y'all. It's actually in the mailbox right now. It's just some little lip liner that I ordered because I was like, ooh, it looks real cute, but I'm not about to go out there and get that and then come back. I'm not doing all that. And then lastly, in this package, y'all, I have some hair. So if you know me, you know I love wigs. I love wigs more than I love braids. But I was like, I was debating because I know like we're gonna be in the pool and we're gonna be like in the sun. So I was like, if I get a wig, like, you know, it's gonna sweat, it's gonna come off. So I looked up some good synthetic wigs, y'all, and I found a real cute one, baby. And I got 30 inches. So they got good reviews on YouTube and stuff too. So like, ooh, it's wrapped up, y'all. I gotta go drop this off. Hold on, now it look good. It look I'm gonna have a 30 inches. Yeah, please don't play with me. Oh, hold on, the net. Come on, man. I'm really impressed. I didn't think it was gonna look this good. Oh yeah, y'all, I got this nose ring too. Hold on, can you see? I got it from Shein. It's not real, y'all, but fake it till you make it. So yeah, y'all, that was my packages. I do need to go drop my hair off like right now because it's already 6 o'clock. And yeah, like I need to go to Target too today, but I might just wait for that. So y'all will definitely see in the next clip what I decided to do, if I went to Target or not, because like I literally don't know. So y'all, I am in the car. It has been what, 2 days since I last vlogged. Right now I'm on the way to go get my hair done. Well, I'm about to leave the house now to go get my hair done.
Long as you had time for BFH, else that be on your mind. Long as you got your cars and doors to drive, I should've known I couldn't get your time. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't go left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost showed me. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. But you refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl is so funny to be. That's why you think I left but one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay up late. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's
So good. It feels so good in here. So y'all, I'm in Target now. Let's get my travel products. They got a lot to choose from. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna get me a nice little deodorant. Oh yeah, I do need me one of these because the one, well, I don't really need it, but the one I got at home, it's like it won't open all the way. I don't know. Oh, look at this cute little thing they got. But I wouldn't really put that in there though, so yeah, I don't really care for cocoa butter like that. It might irritate my hand too. Look at my makeup wipes. My hand look weird. You want to get some bug spray because we outside? Get the antibacterial. I'm gonna put my other ones back.
Have you ever tried them?
I think I did. Oh, I need some lotion. Let me turn around. Definitely need some. Oh, I got sunscreen at home. The banana boat. I mean, not banana boat. It's yeah, it is. I think it is banana boat. It's one of them. I just need a small lotion. Oh, I want that cherry almond. It smells so good.
You don't smell me before.
What? Cherry almond?
Give me one of these that you,
Or dragons? Oh yeah, those are good.
you want one of these?
It's okay. As y'all can see, my room is a freaking mess. I literally have stuff every single where. Like, all these are clean clothes. Those are clean. I have to go through those. Those are all clean. Like, I just really need to go through everything, y'all. And I'm on my phone right now because my camera battery is charging, as you can see. But once I get all this sorted out, I will definitely be back picking this camera up and updating y'all on what happened. Alright, y'all. So, we almost done. I know y'all like, oh, this look a mess. But, okay, so I got them separated. I got my clothes in here and some stuff I'm wearing. It's really all over the place, but this is stuff like my skincare. Y'all, excuse my shirt too, y'all. I was being greedy and just wasteful all over it, but that's another story for another day. Anyway, y'all, I forgot I had this box. I bought this when I graduated last year, and I still got my lotion and my shower gel. I will be bringing that on the trip because, baby, we love the Versace. So really, my main thing is I don't know how I'm gonna put like my shoe boxes and stuff in here. Like, it gotta be another way. Well, I need to cut this music down because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Alright, y'all. So first things first, I'm gonna try to get all my like bras and stuff in here to see if that'll fit, because the way it's looking, y'all, I packed so much. I have a dress. Oh, my face looks so oily. It's so much I have. Like, I gotta pack all of my swimsuits. I have to. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm only doing this because the van we got, y'all, is not really that big. I mean, in the back for like the, you know, our luggage. So I'm like, I'm trying to be nice and not bring my big suitcase with y'all. So as y'all can see, I have packed majority of my stuff. Ignore the curtain over the window, y'all. I got white curtains and it's really dark in here in the morning. So, but yeah, y'all, I'm really tired. If you can't tell in the way I'm talking, like, I am so tired. But I got majority. I did get majority of my stuff packed, so it's like really squeezed in here. I got my swimsuits and stuff, and then everything else just like really packed in here. So I'm gonna try to close this. I do have another bag I'm gonna end up putting like my shoes and stuff in that I am taking with me, and as for like my cosmetic bags and like my toothbrush and all the other stuff, I'll probably end up putting it in that bag right over here, which is pretty big. Also with my like electronics and, you know, stuff like that for my camera and my vlogging. So yeah, y'all, this is definitely a success. We do leave in the morning at around 10 o'clock, so definitely need to get me some sleep and be ready for that. So thank y'all for watching this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and close out so that I can get ready to shower and go to bed, because it is literally like 1 o'clock in the morning, and y'all, I'm so sleepy, like so sleepy. And yeah, I will see y'all in the morning on my next YouTube video that I'm gonna post with my actual vacation. So if y'all like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank y'all. See you later. Bye.